Welcome to the Daily Message. The question that I would like to pose today, as I have been doing every day this week, is this: how will I reach out to God's poor? Between now and the end of the year, what will I do what effort will I make to reach out to someone who is poor or to some persons who are poor in my world, in this community, or anywhere? We know from our reading of Scripture that Jesus was especially fond and had a special closeness to those who were poor and marginalized and outcast in society. He said that the reign of God, if we want to find the reign of God, look first to the poor, the needy, the sick, the unwanted. Also, we know that because each and every one of us is created by God, whether we are rich or poor or in between, every single person in this world, because of our common creation by God, is a brother or a sister to me. And so my question is, what will I do? What will we do to reach out to a poor brother or sister between now and the end of the year? It does not have to be a big thing at all. The only suggestion that I have is that whatever you do it in a personal way, that you actually make contact with the person whom you want to be of help to, so that you can see the face of poverty once again and see in that person not someone who's poor, but someone who, like you, like me, is created in the image of God. When you look into the eyes of that person, I hope that you will see truly a brother or a sister. Thank you for watching once again.